Hello students, myself Ramdas Lad. Today we are going to see in this video syllabus of business mathematics and statistics for the first year BCom degree course in Savitribai Phule Pune University. So there are mainly 4 chapters for the semester first. In the semester second, there are 4 chapters. So every semester have separate exam. There is a internal assessment as well as university semester end exam. So let us see the syllabus in detail in this video. First year BCom, it is the degree course, Bachelor of Commerce, CBCS, it means choice based credit system. This syllabus is revised in the year 2019, so it is called as 2019 pattern. So this BCom degree course is for 3 years and you are in the first year BCom. So in this year you have a compulsory subject, business mathematics and statistics. In first semester you have paper first, course code is 114A and this subject has 3 credits. There is no practical for this subject. Learning objective of this subject: student can learn basic concept in finance and business mathematics and statistics. Students are familiar with the applications of statistics and mathematics in business. To acquaint students with some basic concept in statistics, to learn some elementary statistical methods for analysis of data, for example measures of central tendency like mean, median and mode. The main outcome of this course and subject is the students are able to analyze the data by using some elementary statistical methods like mean, median and mode, also standard deviation. So these are the objectives of this program. Now we will see chapters one by one. Chapter number 1, interest and annuity. So in this chapter we will study the contents, interest, concept of present value and future value, simple interest, compound interest, nominal and effective rate of interest and their examples. Second part of this chapter is annuity. We can study meaning and definition of ordinary annuity, sinking fund, annuity due, present value and future value of annuity. Also, we will solve some examples on it. Another one very most important concept is EMI, equated monthly installments. There are again 2 types of EMI, by interest of reduced and flat interest methods. Also we have to solve some examples on EMI. Now the next chapter, chapter number 2, shares and mutual fund. This chapter is divided into two parts. The first one is shares. We have to study here concept of shares, their face value, market value. Then what is dividend and how to calculate dividend. Then how to charge brokerage. Then definition of equity shares, preference shares, bonus shares, and some examples on it. Now the second part is mutual fund. We have to study meaning and definition of mutual fund, problems on calculation of net income after considering entry load, then dividend, change in net asset value, which is also called as NAV, and exit load, averaging of price under the systematic investment plan. It means SIP. SIP. We have to solve some examples and problems on it. Chapter number 3, population and sample, which is very important chapter from the research point of view. There are again two parts. The first part is statistics and second part is population and sample. In the first part, we are going to study definition of statistics, then scope of statistics in the various subjects like economics, management, science and industry. The second part, concept of population and sample. Also we have to study the methods of data collection like census, sampling with illustrations. Also methods of sampling, random sampling. There are three methods: simple random sampling with replacement, simple random sampling without replacement, and stratified random sampling. Here only we have to study the descriptions of sampling procedure. There is no example or problem for solving. We just have to see the description of sampling procedure with example. Now the chapter number 4, measures of central tendency and measures of dispersion. Again this chapter is divided into three parts. The first one is frequency distribution. In this part we have to study some important concepts like raw data, attributes and variables, classification of data, frequency distribution, cumulative frequency distribution, histogram and Ogilvy curves. So histogram and Ogilvy curve, which is very important for calculation of median and calculation of mean. Histogram and Ogilvy curves are very important for calculation of median and calculation of mode. Now the main part is measures of central tendency. So here we have to study the various measures of central tendency like arithmetic mean, which is also called as simply mean, median and mode for the ungrouped data as well as for the group data. Also we have to study here combined mean and its merits and demerits. Also we have to study the additional two means, geometric mean and harmonic mean. In the third part of this chapter, chapter number 4, we have to study the measures of dispersion. So in this part we have to study concept of dispersion and measures of dispersion like range, variance, standard deviation for grouped and ungrouped data. Also here we have to see how to calculate combined standard deviation, measures of relative dispersion coefficient of range and coefficient of variation. We have to solve examples on it, which is very important for the exam point of view. So students, these are the 4 chapters which we have to study in the first semester, which is very simple syllabus to study. It's like a simple game. So everyone know that cricket is very complicated game, but we know the rules of cricket. So everyone is going to watch cricket match, everyone is going to play cricket, because everyone know that the rules of cricket. So also in business mathematics and statistics, we have to know, we have to study each and every formula, each and every rule. So it will be very simple for us. Now the most important point is you have to make practice of solving examples. So practice make perfect man or woman. So here you have to do more practice, so you will be find this subject very easy. Let's game begin. For more videos on business mathematics and statistics, subscribe this channel. Also, press on the bell icon for notifications. Thank you. You also follow me on YouTube.